Hi everyone. For those that are working at home, this is going to just give you a very basic understanding of how to record yourself with the learning tracks that we're going to give you so that we can just check your progress while you're at home and making sure that everything is continuing along as we're still continuing along here at school. So you'll need to open up MusicFirst and make sure that you're able to log in. And then you'll just click on the task that's in your classroom. So I'm already here at the mixed chorus page, but of course acapella choir, you'll have your own there as well. And that's back at the front part here. You just click on that, and then right there I have a you will be found task to do, and then it'll load up on your computer. Okay. Once you've done that, all you have to do is you'll want to play the backing track, which has vocals with it, so that way you can just sing along with the vocals. All right. If it's Mr. Kuhn and I, maybe singing along with it, you just play it, and then you'll start to do it. I'll tell you what measure to come in on and everything, and you just begin. Okay. So you just play the backing track, adjust your volume right here. Okay. And then you just go ahead and start recording. When you press record, it should play the backing track right away. There it is. And then you can go back to your music while that's happening. You actually start to sing along with it.
Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt...
I'm going to stop it right there just so that you get that. Then you can preview recording. There it is. And then you can go back to your music while that's happening. You actually start to sing along with it.
Have you ever felt like nobody was there?
There you go. It's a little weird, but it does work, and you can actually sing along with it. So we're just wanting you to check yourself on You Will Be Found here, and that should just about do it for now. And then we'll have more assignments sent to you, and I'll make sure I post those on Google Classroom as well. Thanks so much. Oh, yes, don't forget, press the submit button when you're done. Okay? All right. Have fun.